Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another topic of aptitude today, which is ages. We will deal with the problems on ages. Before moving on to the topic of ages, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So before moving on to the topic of ages, let me tell you about the topics we have so far covered in our aptitude videos. So we have completed height and distance, time and work, problems on train, permutation and combination, probability, number series, profit and loss, percentage and partnership as well. In all the last part of the videos, there is a tutorial sheet for you like a practice sheet. I would recommend you to solve that practice sheet for the clarification for the videos. So now let's start with the problem on ages. For moving on to the questions, before we will be needed to understand the concept for solving questions on problems on ages. So let me explain the concept. So what happens is sometimes questions are asked like if your age is that, then what will be his age? Or if his age is this, then what will be your age? Mostly. So what you do in these types of question, let's say if the current age is x, then n times the age is nx, obviously you will multiply n by x. Now, if current age is x, then age n years later or so on. So if it asks later, so that means you will add on the years which are given in the question. So it will be x plus n. And if it is asked n years ago, which means before, so you will write it as x minus n. Now, if the ages are in the ratio, let's say a ratio b. So what will be the ages? It will be ax and bx. If the current age is x, then 1 by n of the age is x by n. So this is the basic concept for solving all the problems on ages. Now we will move on to the questions for better understanding. So the first question is, father is aged 3 times more than his son, Ronit after 8 years. He would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. After further 8 years, how many times would be of Ronit's age? Let's move on to the solution. So let present Ronit's age be x years. Then father's present age would be x plus 3x years, which will be equals to 4x years. Now, so it is as given in the question that after 8 years he would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. So 4x plus 8, because 4x was the present age of his father, equals to 5 by 2 multiplied by x plus 8. Now, so after solving this, you will get it as ax is equals to 8 after solving this equation for father's age and son's age. So the required ratio would be 4x plus 16 divided by x plus 16. You will simply put the value of x here, which is 8, and you will get the answer as 48 divided by 24, which will be equals to 2. So the present age of Ronit is 2 years. So next question is, sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years, age is 50 years. What is the age of youngest child? So let the ages of children be x, x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12. Well, this is because they are born at an interval of 3 years and there are in total 5 children. So you will write it as like that. Now, each is 50 years. So we will add all the ages for all the 5 children and put it equals to 50. After solving, you will get it as 5x equals to 20 and x will be equals to 4. So age of youngest child is 4 years. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son age 5 years back was. So let the son's present age be x years. Then 38 minus x would be x. So you can get it as 2x equals to 38. Why 38 minus x? Because if the father's age is 38 years now, then the son age 5 years back was. But we know that in present, we have assumed that the son's age is x years. So that's why we did it like 38 minus x equals to x. So x will be equals to 19. So son age 5 years back. So 19 subtracted by 5, which is equals to 14 years. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. If the total ages of A, B and C be 27, then how old is B? So you will simply consider C's age as x years. So B's age will be 2x years because B is twice as old as C and A is 2 years older, so it will be 2x plus 2. So you will add on all the three ages and put it equals to 27 because total of the ages of A, B and C is equals to 27. You will get it as 5x equals to 25. So x will be 5 and B's age will be 2x equals to 10. So you will get it as x equals to 5 years. So B's age is 5. So this is all about part first for problem on ages. In the next part, we will deal with some of the most important questions which you will face in aptitude exams for ages. This is the homework problem for you. Solve it and leave the answer in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.